Hello! In this video, you will learn how to convert an image into a URL link to use in mass creations. To do this, follow these steps. Search imgbb.com on Google. Click on Start Uploading. Select the product image. Click on Upload. Copy the link as shown in the video. Note that Jumia only accepts JPEG or PNG formats. Open a new tab and paste the link. Right-click on the image and open the image in a new tab. Copy the link, go back to your file, and paste the link in the main image column. Follow the same procedure for all other images. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you very much and have a great day.